Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to disable Chrome notifications. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply disable your Chrome notifications, then all you gotta do is simply go to your Google Chrome. Once you're in your Google Chrome, you need to simply go to the three dots on the top right hand side of the corner and tap on settings. After this, simply tap on privacy and security, and once you have tapped on privacy and security, you can simply scroll down below and find the option called site settings. So once you have found the site settings option, you can simply go and tap on notification right over there. But if you have not found it yet, then you can simply scroll down and go to notifications directly if you have an updated version. Now, if you have turned the toggle to the right hand side, then this means that you have enabled your notification. But if you have turned on the toggle to the left hand side, then this means that you have disabled the Chrome notification. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.